Hi folks, welcome to the channel. Old Biker Dude here. Thanks for watching. I have it on good information that the Brown Troutasaurus Rex may be located in Tennessee. So, with that said, I'm going to spare no expense or time in scurrying up to Tennessee immediately to see if I can capture the elusive creature. Hey folks, Old Biker Dude here, working hard as you can see. Sure appreciate you guys hitting the subscribe button, like my videos, and ring that notification bell so you can get upcoming videos and check me out, see what I'm up to. I'm an old biker dude, man. Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure featuring camping, cooking, and fishing. So after telling his wife he was going to the store to get a loaf of bread. Okay, so I'm about to take off on my little trek up here to the Tellico River in Tennessee to see if I can locate the elusive Brown Troutasaurus Rex. Naturally, once I get there, I'm going to want a nice gourmet meal that's healthy. So I'm going to cook this while I'm on my way there in the Power Wagon. And for this meal, I've decided I'm going to have a nice, delicious organic chicken breast, which I seared in the pan for just a couple of seconds. I've got some yellow squash that was grown by my neighbor. And of course, I'm going to set it on top of some little baby carrots. And then from out of my garden, I got some whole leaf oregano, which I'm going to just spread all in the pan. A piece of rosemary, which I'll put right there in the middle. And I've got some diced garlic. I'm just going to set all over the top of my piece of chicken. And the other half of this onion was chopped up in there with the squash. So now I'm just going to simply pop the top on here. And I'll put this inside my Hot Logic cooking pouch. And it'll be cooking on the way up there. And by the time I get there, it'll be ready. Basically, I'll just take the casserole dish container with my lunch or dinner or whatever in it. It's lined with this space age material here that keeps the heat in there. Now zip it up. Now all I have to do is just plug it in the Power Wagon, and I cook it while I ride down the road. Well, as you can see, I'm all packed up and ready to go. Trailer's all packed. Paco is busy rendering his approval in the background. That's my bird. And here's my Hot Logic Mini. All I do is I just plug this into my power station, and it'll ride right here inside the trailer. Right here, as a matter of fact, on the very back. So I stopped here in Helen, Georgia to get some gas and thought I'd show y'all my new little piece of technology. If you can see it on the phone there. Now I can monitor my Blue Eddy back in the trailer from up here on the handlebars without having to open the trailer to look at my percentage. Right now I'm at 90% charge. I'm taking in 67 watts from the sun. I'm using 0 watts on my refrigerator right now, but my little Hot Logic Mini that's cooking my lunch is using 42 watts. So right now I've got a slight surplus, so that 90% should build up a little bit, but it's really cool to be able to monitor it like this. Tellico Plains, Tennessee. Forest Road 210, or River Road. Speed limit 25 miles an hour. Man, I'm going so slow I can smell my dinner cooking back there in the Power Wagon. Man, what a beautiful river, man. Woo. No wonder that Troutasaurus Rex is supposed to be up here. Well, I'm about 6 or 7 miles up in here. I just went past the Ball River Falls, which is beautiful. I wish I could have stopped on that bridge back there. I guess I could have, but a little concerned about my solar here. It's kind of hazy out here, and I don't know if y'all can see that real good, but I'm down to 60%. My dinner's not cooking anymore. I unplugged it, but I'm not drawing very many watts through my solar panel. I hate to get behind in this game before I get started, but I got a few more miles up here to the campground, and maybe I can find me a good place to park where the solar will be there. Man, look at that. That is sure a pretty sight right there. That is Bald River Falls. Well, let's mosey on back in here and see if I can find my campground. Well, found me a campsite. Somebody left me some wood. This should do quite nicely. And I got a little bit of open sky for my solar. Now I believe that's going to be a little bit of a fight over the next couple days. Well, finally got set up here at camp. Looks like the last people left me some firewood, which I appreciate. But a little trash, but I'll take care of it. But I do have a picnic table at this place. Let's see how dinner came out, because I am one hungry old biker dude right now. Let's see here. Oh man, I smell that sesame. Oh man, that chicken's so tender. Wow. And so are the carrots and squash. I can smell that rosemary. Ooh. Oh boy, guess I'll eat dinner. Well, had a day of it today, that's for sure. It was a long day. I spent a good deal of time riding up and down the Tellico River Road, scouting out places where I think the elusive Brown Troutasaurus Rex might be located tomorrow, and I think I know. But that said, I finally ate dinner. It's getting kind of dark. The sky is playing me some bedtime music, thunder and lightning. Looks like it's going to rain tonight. Now this time I've got my rain fly up, but I did manage to get me a quick shower with cold river water. And so at least I'm going to bed clean after a really hot day. But feeling pretty good. Get me some good sleep tonight, so I'll be ready to tackle the Troutasaurus Rex in the morning. So it's lights out for me. I'm going to convert my tent light over to the bug zapper and just lay here and listen to the thunder, I think, until I go to sleep. I'm an old biker dude, man.